What's up, guys? What's up, Raiders? Let's do that again. What's up, guys? What's up, Raiders? It's a beautiful morning, and first of all, I want to address my hair. Yes, I cut it. I had to, for some reasons you don't need to know about. Anyways, I had to cut it for my birthday, alright? That was December 7th, so for all those who missed my birthday, yeah, it was an awesome day, you know. I spent all night, you know, partying with my books. Yeah, because it's exam period, and that's another thing. That's why we haven't been posting, because it's exam period and we've been having to read and stuff. But I've also been thinking, you know, I should drop something for you guys. That's why I've been dropping movie trailers. I know you guys have been watching, and I appreciate that. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you're looking forward to watching those movies. Now, moving on to the next reason why I'm recording this. It's not really a vlog type of thing. I don't think I'm, you know, dedicated, you know, to doing vlogs, at least just yet. So I woke up this morning and I was like, what other way to wake my roommate up than with an air horn, an aeroplane, an air horn. God, my English. Okay. Yeah, I know you'll still marry me. Don't worry, I don't blunder like that. Anyways. Alright, so I'm going to set this up, yeah? I'm going to... Another thing, forgive my tap, it's horrible. It doesn't want to stop running. Okay, I hope you can hear me clearly now. So, Chidera slept late because he was reading, I guess. And, oh god, my arm. Just let me tell you. Okay, so Chidera slept late, and it's just about 8 or 9 right now. So he's still going to be deep in sleep. But I'll still wake him up. Maybe he's going to be mad, I want to see. But we said we're going to be doing pranks, so he should be ready for this. I beg, don't do that again. I beg. Sorry, man, it was prank, man. Sorry, man. What are you doing? Sorry, man. So, that's the reaction we were after. Guess. Say good morning to foreign. Alright guys, so I'm going to be going back to my reading, which I was after. Whew. Man, that reaction scared me. Like, I was like, oh, this guy thinking like, what's going on? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you like what you saw. I have a goal for this video. I'm thinking we should reach 50 likes. You know, we're always having this average of like 14 likes, 12 likes, 2 likes, no likes. But this time I want to, you know, challenge you guys. Come on, let's get 50 likes in this. Let's get a lot of views. Well, let's get 50 likes. It's 50 likes I'm really after, alright? I believe we can do it, yeah. So just click that like button, turn it blue. Don't forget to subscribe, share. If you're feeling our vibe, don't forget what's the right thing. If you like what you saw, we'll subscribe for sure. We'll be back with more. Yeah, that's it. Peace.